Hi everyone, welcome to Virtuous Eunice's Kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how I make plantain and banana fufu combined together. Okay guys, so let's get started. Okay, if you look here now, I have a bunch of banana already washed. You can see the water. I have 3 plantain here, green. They are all green. Okay guys, when you consume the green ones of these 2 vegetables, is better than the ripe one. Okay guys, so I'm going to take my time. It's a different method I'm going to use today. Okay, we're going to use the boiling method. So I'm just cutting my banana like this. Okay, just like this. I'm going to do the same with the plantain, guys, because the plantain is bigger, so I'm going to do it like 3. Okay guys, so I'm going to do the rest of it until I get everything done. Okay guys, I've cut them like this, so I'm going to put them in my pot to boil. I left these 2 because I want to boil it like this so I can eat this one like this. Okay, so we're going now to the stove. Okay guys, so I'm putting them. I already have my water ready, so I'm going to put them in this water so that they can boil. Okay, I'm not putting any salt. Okay guys, so I'm just going to put it in the pot so that it can boil. Then we will continue with it. Okay guys. Okay guys, I just want you to see how it's boiling. Okay, so we're going to allow it to boil well. Okay, yeah. Okay guys, so you see the amount of iron that is in green banana and green plantain. That's why you see the water like this. Okay, I think it's ready now. Yeah, I think so. A little bit more. See? Okay guys, I already turned off the gas. Okay, so I'm going to gently get them out of the water. Okay, hey guys, did you see the water, how dark it is? Because of the iron, guys. Okay, so these are the 2 I just want to eat like that. So we're going now to the blender so that we can blend. Okay, okay guys, it's hot, so for me I can stand it, but for you, if you can't stand it, don't try it. Okay, so I'm just going to take them off the skin and right into my blender. Okay, so I'm going to do all of this like this. Okay, if you can't stand it, don't do it, it's hot. Okay, hey guys, so it's in my food processor now. Okay, in blender, this Ninja, you put it high first, then there is another one that say dough. Okay, at this point I'm going to put the dough one. Okay, now Okay. So you see, perfect, guys. See, you see, it's not even sticking to my hands. You see. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to get my sandwich bag and tie it. Okay. Okay, I have this sandwich bag. It's what I'm going to use because the fufu is a lot. So I'm just going to put them in my sandwich bag. So whenever I want to eat, I will just grab one. Okay. At least this size is okay for me. Okay. So this is how I'm going to package it. Then when it gets cold, I stick it in the freezer. Then I will just grab one and eat. So I'm going to do the rest like this. Okay. Okay guys, this is the end of my video. So I have some white okra. It's what I'm going to use to consume this. So you see how it look like. See guys, it's so good. At least you know what you are eating. Okay, so I'm just going to use my white okra with fish, fresh fish. Guys, this is so good. You have to try it. You will see the difference with the one you buy in the box. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like, and share. As you do, may God bless you. Bye.